Tell it beat off, right? Shit about it. Fuck school, you're a crypto CCP to DIE. Fuck K5, that nigga's hacked one for hoes inside his feet. Fuck white boy, you said he's CCP, now he was weak. Where the mini go, that nigga ain't here, well baby mad. I'm Mr. CEO ass to hell and have T-baby beat your ass. I ran so fuck Transformers, I ain't dying to no fact. Them niggas dead could dig them up, but they ain't never coming back on GOD. Your homie die while you ain't keep it to the neck. Fuck 10, fuck mini, that's where all the disrespect. My nigga K3 in the party with that block because it's sketch. Pop dope, if the 3D on my lap, they getting left out. Fuck J, fuck John, fuck Zay, fuck T, fuck Tay, fuck 3, fuck Say, fuck KTS. Walk up on him with a blink of leave. Walk up on him with this sticky time. Put him on a P on GOD. Walk up on him with this sticky, get him a watch. Fuck Smack, fuck Eddie, fuck me, fuck along. Walk up on him with this sticky time. Get him nigga gone, fuck Diamond, fuck Zay.
That's the deal, you too. And we're back with another video. But as you can see, we back on Roblox. I told y'all I didn't want to play Roblox because it's just the same thing every single day. But we back and we over by the trash cans. Feel me? Same thing. We got, of course, we got Casino RP right here.
What's the deal?
And we got, all right, bro. What are you doing?
Oh, shoot, my bad.
And we got my homie there, right? I mean, wait, what's your character's name? Tech?
It's T-Y.
T-Y? Sorry. Yeah, we got my homie right here. Yeah. So we just gonna get straight into it, y'all.
What's up with that hairstyle?
Be clutching.
Cause they be popping through the cussing, they be popping.
Oh my god.
Michael Drake, he got a kick. Even though I never shot that. I ain't never touched one of those. Brother, you eat.
Worst bars I've ever heard in the big fun.
Says the person that was like,
Yeah, so we gotta still
hold on. He said, yo, you hear this? He said I had the worst bar. He the one told something. I did 5 years for Blade Charles, still ain't look. Like, shut your lame ass up. What are you talking about?
How?
Hey, that cut.
Nigga, you do know that sounds hella retarded. You just admitted that you're fucking stupid.
It was a freestyle.
You went to jail for 5 years for you ain't done shit. That makes you
that
stupid, man. You sound fucking slow, gang. It don't matter if it's a freestyle. You just admitted
Casino Bringo?
over the years. You went to jail for 5 years for you ain't learning nothing. You're a fucking unretired YN.
No, you didn't! Tell me where you from.
Yo, can you hear me?
I do not bag no more. You hear this?
Hey, Sumo, you can hear me?
Yeah,
Carry Brody here, like.
why is Brody lying?
And God is man lying.
Hey, T.Y., you can hear me?
Yo, we can. I could.
For sure.
I'm in clear. Take hat off. That hat off, gang. Hat off. Oh, BIC.
We beef with them. That's why he's saying that. We beef with them.
Wait, hold on.
Oh.
Wait.
Take that.
Hold on.
BIC. They both said BIC. What the hell? Blaze, naked. Hey, we hitting that? We hitting those?
I gotta rejoin. No, we can't, cause. Hold on, wait, did they both say that they were dying from Jackson?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. T.Y., did they say that?
Hold on.
Well, I gotta get my own slash ready.
Yo.
Yeah, we carry.
Alright, for sure.
You guys. Dead homies. Taking that shit. Talk about.
He said hell yeah?
Listen, bro, but hold on. I'm getting on camera.
That's how I'm a little old.
I can't shoot. Hold on.
You were loading.
Hey, I got my gun reloaded. Can I shoot him? Oh, yeah. Wait, what did he say he banged?
Slash me.
What did he say he banged? I got my slash me ready. Too.
Before you shoot, I gotta.
Slash me.
Wait, what did he say he banged? What did he say he banged?
It's fade.
Oh, I didn't know.
Oh, we good? Alright. We're getting crazy here.
No, we don't even know them. We don't even know them.
What?
Chris, come over here and kill me.
Is that like a...
Come over here though.
Fuck. Last. Maybe you know why he's scared of that little fella? I'm faded up.
It's the whole shootout. Like,
hey, come here, El Jerko, come get this fight in, gang.
Where?
Park.
What park?
Same spot. Park. Same spot in the alley, like right there by the alley. I said park. I mean basketball court. I'm tripping. I'm off the park. Where?
I'm literally middle. Alright, I'm in the middle of the basketball court.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Wait, am I in your server?
No, you're not.
Alright, y'all. Give me a couple of seconds.
Crazy.
I still had health. And I was still able to shoot.
Little phone.
Hey, I don't care, bro. If you hit the clip, that's classified as my hat. Cause hold on, I'm gonna look at the clip real quick. How many times did I shoot, bro?
Oh, no. I shot like hell. I shot 13 at the end.
All I needed was 3 bullets and I skull cracked him.
Kill her.
Let me get the guy.
I tapped him once in the leg, tapped him once in the chest, and I skull tapped him, broke the skull.
2.
What's the password? So I have to keep doing
4 times. I hit him 4 times. 4 times he got hit, so that's my hat, bro. Hey.
Yep.
How much casino? You okay? Hold on. Who else got hats?
Up one. He just got up one.
I just need some bullets. I need some bullets.
Counter screen. Oh, I just hit him at the.
I see him. Yeah, I see him. You see that, right?
Please tell me they're not spinning. I'm ready for it.
No, they're spinning. They just let 2 out. No, I went over there by the basketball court in that little cut where you can see everything. They let 2 out.
They're right there.
Oh. They're gonna do this last meet.
What the fuck they on?
What they trying to do?
You're gonna get this ban. Put your gun away.
No, I pulled it out for literally 2 seconds to put it away. You didn't see me? Where you from again? No. Bang the set, because they're trying to bounce out right there. Bang the set.
Fuck.
They're finna pop up.
Hey, they pissed off.
They popped it out! Oh,
Listen.
Hey, hold it down. That's not playing. I'm gonna Christian, that's not playing. Hey, Christian, hook it down with me. I'm like, wait. I call me one.
I think I caught one. Finish him though. I'm so off. Finish him.
Oh, let me stand over. Stand over to me. That's my body right there. Yeah, goofy.
I still had health. And I was still able to shoot.
Little phone.
Hey, I don't care, bro. If you hit the clip, that's classified as my hat. Cause hold on, I'm gonna look at the clip real quick. How many times did I shoot, bro?
Oh, no. I shot like hell. I shot 13 at the end.
All I needed was 3 bullets and I skull cracked him.
Kill her.
Let me get the guy.
I tapped him once in the leg, tapped him once in the chest, and I skull tapped him, broke the skull.
2.
What's the password? So I have to keep doing
4 times. I hit him 4 times. 4 times he got hit, so that's my hat, bro. Hey.
Yep.
How much casino? You okay? Hold on. Who else got hats?
Up one. He just got up one.
I just need some bullets. I need some bullets.
Counter screen. screen. Hey, wait, hold on.
Jeez. Yeah.
Hold on, y'all. Yo, bro, my head. Hold on.
Hold on. Hey, when we go on that skit. Yeah. Hold on.
We're crazy, bro.
I'm gonna concentrate. Everybody be quiet. Everybody be quiet.
Alright.
Come here. Come here.
Who you shooting at? What is he trying to kill?
It's a 3v1. It's a 3v1.
Oh my fucking.
You're not, bro. You're not killing all of the niggas. You're not killing them niggas. Why are you doing this by yourself? Why are you doing this? A 3v1 skit by yourself. You're stupid.
I hear his.
They all ran besides for one. They all ran besides for one. Come here.
I hear your gun.
Come here.
You come here. You come
here. The way he's screaming, "Come here," I don't think he's doing a skit.
Bro, stop playing, bro. And I airball. Type.
Next time, champ.
Catch none.
Well, you feel me? Everybody got an airball soon, like, you feel me?
I'm not putting up music on that, bro. That was a terrible skit, bro.
Hey, but question. When I play with Lil Jeff song.
Holy, bro. You gonna put Lil Jeff song on my thingy?
They can't copyright it. They can't copyright it.
I'm not even.
I'm gonna put it.
Do you want me to put one inside my
Yeah, I'm gonna do it anyway. Should have.
Don't play. Don't do it like.
Nigga, I'm gonna mute my mic. That bitch. Alex.
Terrible skits, y'all. Let me hold on.
Come to the. Alex, RX, Better niggas wolfing ain't doing no.
Stop, little boy.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you're blocked. Like, what, bro?
Rico. Besides, a lot of other people.
Why watch him now? Like, who are you talking to?
Hey, I never said I was.
We just banged your hold on. Bro, first thing back online after a couple hours. Just,
Oh
shit!
We still CDS? No, I don't know. No.
We're not CDS. We're MTV.
MTV now. We're MTV.
We cool, BMB.
Is that like an already?
We have no allies.
Yeah, bro. We're tier 3.
How the hell are y'all tier 3?
They bought it.
Damn already.
Cause they been a faction. Move, fatty. Let's sit down. Go ahead.
Hold on.
Well, I thought something was gonna happen.
Hey, I can stay up to my dude.
Watch you back as shit.
I thought they.
I'm not back, nigga.
I thought they was gonna pop up.
Pop dog.
That's something.
Alright.
I'm not one of them pants going.
TY in a cut. That's a scary sight.
Me and Sumo in a cut. That's a scary sight, man.
Oh yeah, I want to introduce my character. But this is
let's take a fight, bro.
yeah, it's a sumo. We're named Gavin Carter, but this is sumo.
Yo, Chris, what's your character name?
Oh yeah, bro.
I low-key kind of forgot. Oh my god.
Okay, what's your character name?
I really know fucking.
Is it TC?
I'm finna think of something.
No, Chris, you said your character was named T.
No. Is your character TC or TY?
No, my character TY.
Alright, yeah. So that's TY. This Suma right here. And yeah.
Say, where Belsky at?
I don't even know. Y'all, it's just like, I don't know. If y'all would have seen like the
Hold on.
it's just so boring.
Draco, kickbox.
Slash me.
Someone pick a number 1 through 10.
Get low. Holy.
Draco.
Yeah, they finna spank you. What?
Draco, okay, it's not gonna make it. Alright, pick a number 1 through 10. 41.
26.
I said 1 through 10.
26 is my favorite number. Divide 26 by 3.
What?
7.5. Wait. No, 6.5. 6. I didn't say anything. 6 is
My number was 5.
Bro, shut up. What is it?
again. They're still shooting.
Yo.
She trash.
Bro,
Looking for.
they had a whole scene right next to your face.
I know. Looking for Trace, leave him by the step.
I think so.
We got a new one, or it's the same one?
Hey, a new one? Different one.
What? We switched a block?
No, not really. We were at the wrong block.
What hood? What hood is we supposed to be at?
On site. Okay, so there's no on-site shooting. You gotta film me us.
Hold on. This, what hood we supposed to be at? I'm lagging like.
I don't know, but hold on. Casino, get closer to your mic. What?
Heal me.
Heal you? Can't do that, Brody.
What do you mean?
How am I drinking with a mask on?
Alrighty. For the house.
I'm gonna take y'all.
Bro, I saw them had a flick over here. Is it over here?
That's what I was saying. Like, I think it's over there, but on a casino. Where's the block at?
You can just pick up where the block is at. It's behind Mega Mall.
I remember they took a flick. Literally, they took a.
I knew it was that hood, bro.
They took a flick right here.
Okay.
What hood?
They're about, it's over there about
Buy WSB game. Buy WSB.
but it's like across the yeah. I know what you're talking
So like, go behind.
about. Yeah, I know where it is. Where it is. JC, join us.
JC finally outside.
Y'all still at Franklin House?
No, we haven't.
Grab me your car.
Can't drive. Oh yeah. The worst is like pretty close to me. You feel me? Yeah. Pretty close to me. He's like, like kind of far away from me in the map. He's like definitely not like right in front of my face. You feel me? His name definitely is gonna shoot me.
Oh what? You wanna test that out?
Put your gun down, bro. Before I butt you.
What?
You really want to take that risk, bro?
Do you wanna take that risk?
Owen homie back door, bro.
That's another dude.
Where the fuck did he just come from? What the hell?
Stop running. I'm in the hood right now.
Point, yes or no?
Jason,
Stop lagging. I've been lagging like some shit.
That's what I was saying. It's mad laggy, my friend.
Get on.
Yo, Draco.
Yeah,
Draco. Yo, what the fuck is happening, gang? What is this server lag?
Up to 3, I need that big.
I'm like, yo,
Yo, what has been happening in the news? Now it's just
how do I get out the car? Oh, just based, I forgot. Alright, somebody else drive. I'm not driving.
I fucking
I don't got a keyboard.
Let me drive. Where you at?
Dealership.
For sure. That's literally right beside the block. I'm on the way to
What about me? Well, drive.
I fucking
No, I want a shotgun. Well, drive, bro.
I fucking
the block, gang. I'm on the way to the car, gang.
I'm off this shit. I can't drive.
Let me see.
That shit was.
Yeah, that's a bag as a bitch.
I know, for sure. No, we shouldn't. No. We finna pop those, so we gotta come. No, we finna bail out from, what's it called? From over there behind the hill. What the fuck? Inside, he ran inside.
He back here behind us. He behind.
Look at face is that?
Come on. That's how you go on that skit. That's how you go on that skit.
We overstand over shit, and we grown.
That's how you go on that skit. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Brother, Sumo just got a second. Sumo just got a second. Oh God, what I gotta live? Oh God, you did not have to wheel. Hey Chris, I'm gonna let y'all do the. Blood dumbass shot at Ryan. Blood dumbass shot at Ryan.
Oh, they ain't on his block day.
Hold on, LeBron. Y'all got like, what are we doing?
It ain't. No, we're looking for out. That's all we controlling around.
Alright, spin. Come on, we spinning the game. Fuck. Oh God. He tried to jump and got scratched. Literally.
That car. If somebody say where you from, I got the wheel.
That's Ninja Turtle. Drive off.
I can't drive. I'm gonna run in front of a bullet game. I'm not gonna drive because as soon as I'm trying to drive. I can't.
What are you doing?
I got stuck, gang.
As you can do.
He tried to get the homies.
I just told these I couldn't drive.
This nigga kept driving the car forward, bro. Nigga pushed the car forward.
What character's name? Cause he.
See, it's like, oh shit, you ain't doing because you from that
You
side.
said what?
What's the character's name?
Jalil. He goes by God, Father of Dusk.
Yeah,
I'm not going.
My name, amen.
Just call me FOD.
He said call him FAD.
FOD.
I guess I'm doing this crash.
This is
Tell you, bro, them PlayStation are terrible, y'all. Do not get a PlayStation, get an Xbox or a PC.
Shit's not terrible.
Either. Do not get no PlayStation. Xbox or PC.
Well, Nintendo, you can't even play Roblox on
The
it.
new Xbox.
Oh God.
Never get the PS6. Get the new Xbox. Cause you can play 5M on a new Xbox.
Yeah.
They roll.
I never met a nigga that dick suck Xbox.
I would recommend you play it on.
Assemble.
What the? Why is it why?
How did these turtles get those are the same people? It's like it says that my turtles.
What the fuck, man? What's going on in LA? LA got some strange people now. Hey, get up on that. Get up on that.
Hey, somebody asked if
Where you from, blood? Where you from?
You got a blue flag on?
You got a blue flag? Nah, don't act AFK, cause the other nigga did that. Nah.
94.
Alright.
Let me get my whole last one.
What was that?
I'm gonna do hands.
Push it. Push it. Do it.
He's up the pole. He up the pole. Shoot, it's peacetime. Like, fucking stupid.
Goofy.
What is he doing, gang?
Hit him with the shotgun.
What is he doing?
Drive on.
Bro, I'm trying to drive. I'm trying to go. It's in the park. I can't take it out of the park. There.
Why doesn't he just have to? He could just
Why
take
do
them
you
out.
have to up a pole, man?
I told you that was gonna happen.
Others just always love to die.
I told you I.
Why you even?
Oh my gosh.
No, what?
Why is they running?
Can he bang his set? So bang your set, man. How we don't get busy and we up on every single one of our ops.
You from? Bang the set.
Bang your set. Your set. You don't know where we from. We don't know where you from because you don't bang your set. Bang your set and we can get busy.
You got my son fee ready.
Bang your set.
Yo, brother, come down there. Come down there, man.
I don't care! Bang your set! Niggas do not care about your brother! I'm finna crash, gang.
My girl learned.
Oh my god. Just bang the hood, gang.
Represent paradise. Alright, bro.
That's not an actual hood. Yup. Bro, oh my gosh, like just bang your set, gang, bang your hood. I don't need bang nut. Yes you do, gang, yes you do.
You just bang yourself in with the other niggas.
You still have to bang your set even if you're repping your shirt. Alright, bro.
You not turning shit down. You must die.
Literally. That's the same nigga I was just running in traffic. I dare him say where you from. Where you from, gang? Bang your set. Cause niggas was just running in traffic.
Niggas backers.
You capping, bro. He was just running in traffic with 984. Like, what? Oh, why when we drive off, every single one of them come back? Gang, he just got in a car with somebody. Okay, gang. Tired of the scariness, gang. This scary ass shit in LA, gang. Like, what the fuck?
I can say where you from. I can buy slash you with you.
Somebody say where you from, gang, because I'm finna get pissed off.
I got my flash ready.
It's literally 70 niggas here and none of these niggas bang their set.
No, nigga. No, did not, but he did.
What?
This nigga scared the thing they said.
Oh my gosh, bro. Yo, we really got niggas.
Hey, ban his ass right there. Ban his ass right there.
That's not how it works. I know you're on music. And I can't ban.
The nigga's talking about add me on Discord. He's talking about oh god.
No, gang, he didn't say. No, bro, he didn't ask first. He asked first. What is it with the scariness? What is it with the scariness, bro?
My game was froze. Bro, hey, drop ball, bro.
No, you will not drive over. No, we got shit.
My game was froze.
He's AC base. Wait, AC. Who's that?
Yeah, hold on. I'm not running phase, bro. One of y'all run phase.
I'm finna run fade.
El Draco, give me a pull. El Draco, give me a pull while y'all doing that.
I'll rush in a second, bro.
Alright.
No, go ahead.
Where y'all at?
Yeah.
Bro, over here by that like hood over. He's right there where he's punching. Wait, hold on. Go to cut.
Is you stupid, man? Is you stupid?
Yo, I see y'all.
Stupid.
I was trying to take the car for like get your dumb ass out.
Niggas must not know some more.
Still, gang. Get the fuck on my car, gang. Over tweaking.
I guess I'm gonna.
You talking about not good face. Your ass got knocked the fuck out, boy. I just debo your ass.
What's the deal, bro? Cause you trying to rob my car and stuff like that. Like what?
Draco, come on.
I got Desi up there by you.
Hop in, Draco, hop in the Desi.
I just dragged that nigga. He just said your mom was the I'm finna crash out.
We're from shooting niggas for no reason at this bitch.
Everything crash out, but they be rage bait.
I'm in that car, pass the pole.
What's the deal, bro? What's the deal? No. This is the reason
I'm in a.
We can go bounce on an arcade.
Bro, we can't bounce off our knees. Somebody will have to get off.
Alright, bro, drop me off at the corner.
We can all bounce off right now.
Knock this corner.
Look at that.
Right here. Jump out. Hey, we doing fast meet?
I just got kicked in.
Alright, bro.
I just got fucking kicked out, my nigga.
Oh my gosh.
Where we bouncing out at?
Okay, y'all know which one was the one that said that?
Yes. It's that dude right there in the middle of the street. The only dude in the middle of the street, right there.
Alright, let's 3.
His ass.
Hey, blue shirt got pulled.
No, they all got pulled off. This is not smart.
Blue shirt got pulled.
Nah, he know what we doing.
Pop in the corner. Wait, no, wait. He ran up to the car, bro. Park the car.
Why did we get active shit like
Dumbass nigga, is you stupid? Hop in the car.
Hey, I'm from y'all jeeps too.
Over that. No. I'm staying over that game.
Hey, y'all bad.
Is you stupid again?
Bring the car to me.
Wait. Hey, get in.
Hey, blue shirt got caught.
Get in.
Get in that car.
Get in, gang. We ain't worried about that. That's how you do this shit.
Yes, I get shot.
No,
go back.
Double back.
Yo, meat right up. So crazy.
Nice.
The meat ride is crazy. I keep getting hurt. I told y'all to shoot that nigga. I said blue shirt. I
have one bullet, gang. I'm not doing this. I'm running to the car.
Bullets.
Gang, you gotta remember, you gave me half a clip.
How do I give you half a clip, bro?
I told you, bro. I told you to let me reload money. You didn't let me reload money. You gave me one clip.
I guess you're listening to Nigga Turtles? Yo. Oh yeah, bro.
Oh my gosh. It's bull. We back to
I'm going black.
this nigga always getting the arcade. Nigga should have watched that mouth.
Guys, I'm a gangster guy.
All that popping it and reading on the internet. To watch that list. Bro, shut up, gang. You're not good.
I told y'all I was gonna get with the shotgun, y'all. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Goodbye.